the given passage and answer the questions, question number 1 to 8, that follow.
At last, the time came for the boy to go to school. Rai Charan sold his small piece of land and went to Calcutta. There he got employment with great difficulty as a servant and sent Phalna to school. He spared no pains to give him the best education, the best clothes, the best food. Meanwhile, he himself lived on a mere handful of rice and would say in secret, "Ah, my little master, my dear little master, you loved me so much that you came back to my house. You shall never suffer from any neglect of mine." 12 years passed away in this manner. The boy was able to read and write well. He was bright and healthy and good-looking. He paid a great deal of attention to his personal appearance and was specially careful in parting his hair. He was inclined to extravagance and finery and spent money freely. He could never quite look on Rai Charan as a father, because though fatherly in affection, he had the manner of a servant. A further fault was this, that Rai Charan kept secret from everyone that he himself was the father of the child. The students of the hostel, where Phalna was a boarder, were greatly amused by Rai Charan's country manners, and I have to confess that behind his father's back, Phalna joined in their fun.
Now answer the following questions. Choose the correct option, A, B, C, or D. Question 1. Rai Charan sold his land and went to Calcutta to Correct answer, option B, educate Phalna. Question 2. Rai Charan earned his living in Calcutta as a Correct answer, option D, servant. Question 3. While educating Phalna, Rai Charan lived on Correct answer, option C, a handful. Question 4. Phalna grew up after 12 years as a Correct answer, option B, bright, healthy and good-looking boy. Question 5. Phalna never looked on Rai Charan as a father because Correct answer, option C, Rai Charan behaved like a servant. Question 6. The students of the hostel were amused about Correct answer, option A, Rai Charan's country manners. Question 7. The synonym of the word neglect in the passage is Correct answer, option D, ignore. Question 8. Choose the antonym of the word extravagance. Correct answer, option A, simplicity.
Directions. Read the given poem and answer the questions, question numbers 9 to 15,
that follow by selecting the most appropriate option. Time is endless in thy hands, my Lord. There is none to count thy minutes. Days and nights pass, and ages bloom and fade like flowers. Thou knowest how to wait. Thy centuries follow each other, perfecting a small wild flower. We have no time to lose, and having no time, we must scramble for a chance. We are too poor to be late. And thus it is that time goes by, while I give it to every querulous man who claims it, and thine altar is empty of all offerings to the last. At the end of the day, I hasten in fear lest thy gate be shut, but I find that yet there is time. On missing a dear one, let me not forget.
Question 9. The poem is addressed to Correct answer is option B, God.
Question 10. Time is endless in Correct answer, option A, God's hands. Question 11. Days and nights pass, and ages bloom and fade like flowers. The figures of speech of the statement is Correct answer, option A, simile. Question 12. The word in the poem that means complaining is Correct answer, option C, querulous. Question 13. The time is endless. The question tag to be used is Correct answer, option C, isn't it? Question 14. I find that yet there is time. The significance of the final line is Correct answer, option A, the revelation of one's greatest fears. Question 15. We have no time to lose. Infinitive in the above sentence is Correct answer, option C, to lose.
Question 16. Digant is an intelligent boy. The part of speech of the underlined word is Correct answer, option B, adjective. Question 17. If you had studied well, dash, you scored well. Complete the statement using the correct word. Correct answer, option B, would have. Question 18. Grandmother narrated an dash interest story. Use the correct form of the word to complete the statement. Correct answer, option A, interesting. Question 19. Write your name on the top dash the page. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Correct answer, option B, off. Question 20. The fire damaged the building can be rewritten as. Correct answer, option C, the building was damaged by the fire. Question 21. The bilingual method proposed by C.J. Dodson aims to. Correct answer, option B, make use of both mother tongue and target language effectively. Question 22. An online tool useful for improving English listening skill is. Correct answer, option C, lyrics training and YouTube. Question 23. The first thing that teachers do for successful integration of technology in the English classroom is to. Correct answer, option B, understand learners and their individual differences. Question 24. The ability to use language in special and creative ways are what lawyers, writers, editors are strong in. They are. Correct answer, option D, linguistic learners. Question 25. The importance of listening is laying good foundation in. Correct answer, option B, acquisition of speaking skill. Question 26. Total physical response method was evolved by. Correct answer, option B, James Asher. Question 27. Skimming is the sub-skill of. Correct answer, option C, reading skill. Question 28. One of the main principles of constructivism in English is. Correct answer, option B, collaborative approach to learning. Question 29. One of the errors in silent reading is. Correct answer, option D, pointing the finger at words. Question 30. The expanded form of NLP is. Correct answer, option B, neuro-linguistic program.